Today we're gonna be trying Mr. Beast ball.
May red, may green.
Okay? I just ate Takis, right? Today we just want I'm gonna eat Mr. Beast bar. Today to trying to cookies.
Yeah.
Today to trying.
Today is trying to eat.
Trying the cookies.
Wow.
Today we trying the cookies.
We are trying the cookie. Okay. What does it taste like, ba? Say hi, guys.
Okay.
It tastes so. Show yourself. Yan, okay na yan. Oh, today. Show yourself.
Today I'm gonna eat a cookie.
Ano, masarap?
Ang masarap yan o yung Dubai?
Oh no! I touched the taki.
Wala mo sa tissue.
Hindi ba ano kahapon?
Ha?
Hindi ito kalahating portion.
Wow.
Hindi, wala.
Kalahating portion.
Ah,
Ano?
wala eh. Wala silang ano nga dun eh. Sili ng mga